I'm also not sure whether it's totally priced into the market that the phase one is a done deal, because I think leading on to earlier to this, we have also seen a lot of news flow and uncertainty about calling phase one deal into question as well. And the reasons cited are pretty much the same, which is China's handling of the coronavirus issue. We see increasing tension between U.S. and China, not just on the trade side, but on the technology side. So I would say the news flow surrounding it has created, I think, a lot of uncertainty. So I'm not really sure that it's that price into the market that phase one is a sure done deal. I think there's a lot of uncertainty around even before leading to this. Yeah.
Yeah, and Pruksa, I mean, we've heard some very strong comments coming from President Trump. I mean, just last week saying he was willing to decouple from China altogether. But it seems that many investors were just willing to look through these up until now as pre-election rhetoric, right? And I think the difference here is that you have Peter Navarro saying it's over, which is quite a bold statement, because there was always a hope the trade deal would stay intact because President Trump couldn't afford the economic consequences. However, do you want to hear more from other voices in the administration, from Robert Lighthizer, who is the top negotiator, Secretary Mnuchin perhaps, and then of course we have to hear what China says, correct?
Yes, that's right. And I think we got to hear, and I suppose wait for the whole situation to develop, because there's just a lot of stakes on the table, and we just got to see how the implementation of it will be carried out over the next few weeks, over the next few months. So I think it's a bit too early to draw the conclusion. But I think it's right to be cautious. But I think to totally decouple from China from a practical standpoint is also not that easy. Even if you want to do it as the end point, there is a process that you have to go through, given how China is so intertwined in the whole global supply chain. So it will be a process, I would imagine.